Hello everyone and welcome. Now you might be asking, can you split payment on Walmart app? Well, the answer is yes. You can split payment on the Walmart app, and here's how you can do it. But before we move on to that, let's look at the prerequisites. You see, you need to have the Walmart app installed on your device, and you need to have a Walmart account. Once you have these two things, then you can now move on. The first step you take in splitting payments using multiple payment method. Now, this is a method we're going to talk about, how to split payments using multiple payment methods. The first step is to open the Walmart app and proceed to checkout. Then select the items you want to purchase and tap checkout. Next, you tap payment methods and select add payment method. Next, choose the first payment method. It could be credit card, debit card, or gift card. Enter the payment amount for the first method. Then tap add another payment method. To add the second payment method, repeat the same steps, that is, tap payment method, select add payment method, choose the second payment method, it could be credit card, debit card, or gift card, enter the amount for the first method, for the second method actually, and then tap add another payment method to add a third payment method if you want. Don't forget to review your payment methods and amounts. Once you're done, tap place order to complete the transaction. It's as simple